Welcome back to another Bargain Savage video, and today I have for you these Acellories Legend earbuds. They're from Dollarama. I was cruising down the aisle and I noticed that these ones here I haven't saw before, so I thought I'd give them a try. So I'm going to tell you what I think of these. Now on the box here it says Superior Earbuds. And on the back of the box it's got your normal stuff like 10mm driver, 3.5mm plug, 94 decibel sensitivity, 1.2 meter cord length. The package includes one pair of Legend Superior earbuds and 2 sets of extra ear gels. Features hands-free mic, soft silicone ear gels, 3.5mm jack, tangle resistant cord, and a volume control. And the box has got a magnet on it. Flips open, you can actually see the earbuds inside there. Fairly well packaged for a Dollarama item, so I'm hoping that they put a little bit more money into the actual earbuds than they did into the box, because I don't want all the money in the box. Here's the ear caps. The buds are fairly well secure in there. Mic, and it's got a slider volume control on it. It's a fairly rubbery feeling cord. The earbuds themselves are marked L and R. And you know what? The plastic that they are constructed from does not look that bad. Doesn't look that good, but it's not that bad. Let's see how they sound. Fit isn't too bad. Okay, so my first impressions of these are pretty darn good actually. For $4, I would have to put these at the top of the Dollarama earbuds so far. Now, they're not great earbuds by any means, but they are fairly clear. They are a little high on the treble, so it is what it is. The bass is lacking a little bit, but overall they sound fairly decent compared to any of the other ones except for the Rex that I found at Dollarama. These are definitely up there. I'd tie them with the Rex earbuds for sound and build quality. They're actually fairly decent. I'm actually kind of shocked. If you're looking for a cheap set of earbuds and you see this box there, don't be afraid to try it. Now, they do play fairly loud. They go louder than I would like them or need them to go. It's okay, I guess, if they go that loud, but it's actually got more volume than I actually need, so it's always nice to have that extra. If you need to use it, it's there, and if you don't need to use it, then don't use it. So I'm gonna try the mic out on these now, and we'll see how that sounds. This is the sound of the microphone hanging from my neck as you would wear it as you have the earbuds in your ears. And this is the sound of the microphone approximately 6 inches from my mouth. This is the sound of the microphone approximately 6 inches from my mouth. So I'll let you decide what you think of the mic test there. You can let me know in the comments below. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. You can check out some of the other videos in the Earbuds Extravaganza that I've done. This is episode 3-10. I'll put a playlist up here at the end, and a subscribe link for you as well, and a random video for you to watch. Now, I've tested quite a few other Dollarama, Dollar Tree cheap earbuds in this series, and I'm still continuing to do so, and we're starting to move up into some bottom of the name brand stuff. So pretty soon you're going to see some stuff through like Sony, Panasonic, Skullcandy, stuff like that. So hopefully you can stay tuned and look forward to seeing some of that, and have a great day.